Morning, sunshine. Tell all the hunters, lay down their guns. Tell them that the tiger needs a little bit of love. They found the jungle, let them roam their land. Then stand back and marvel, what a beautiful cat. 'Cause I saw tigers, now I understand. I saw a tiger, and the tiger saw a man. I can give him a home, safe and warm. But the law wants to ban me. Can you tell me who's wrong? They move every time they breathe. I can feel their power, I can feel their ease. 'Cause I saw a tiger, now I understand. I saw a tiger, and the tiger saw a man.
Are you kidding me?